wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Nay! 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 Nay!
What are you doing for sounds?
And what are you doing? I think we're both trying to get each other's attention.
Well,
That's funny.
There's a box and I thought maybe I can use it as drums.
That's true. There's a box and I thought maybe I could use it to make a unicorn.
A unicorn?
Yeah.
What's a unicorn?
Ooh, a unicorn is a magical horse. So it's a horse and it has a horn on the top and the horn is magic.
The
Yep.
horn is magic, a magical horse? I've never heard of a unicorn.
What?
What?
How have I known you for years and you have never heard of a unicorn?
Well, maybe you've painted like 5,000 of them.
Yeah, roughly 5,000. Wait, we already painted a unicorn together. Aw, you're messing with me. Are you teasing
Yeah, I am.
me?
I'm teasing you.
That's funny.
How do you like my...
Yeah, I like your drum a lot. Is that what you're going to do with yours today? Are you going to make a drum?
No.
No. What are you going to do?
I'm going to create some kind of cool world.
Ooh, that's a really good idea.
Yeah, and usually I would say a space world would be fun. But today I'm going to go in the opposite direction.
What's the opposite of space?
Well, we're not going up.
We're
but we're
going
going down.
Down. So a cave.
No.
No. Further down
We're
than a cave?
diving.
Oh, underwater.
Yep.
Wow, that's amazing.
I'm going to do an underwater world.
Do you think we should say hi to the kids so they can be invited into your underwater world?
Oh, hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again. Welcome to our Dream Again world.
Yeah, Dream Again worlds. Underwater world and fairyland.
Whoa.
Well, unicorn fairy tale land.
Magical world.
Yeah, fantasy land.
Fantasyland.
Yeah, fantasy.
Well,
Wow.
what are we doing today? And why don't you tell the kids what they will need?
So today we're doing a special one that you probably have to get the box for at a craft store.
Yep.
But if not, you can just draw a picture too.
Yep.
Okay. So what we have is we have a box and it has a switch. So it's a light box. So this box, we're going to draw a picture on it. Whatever picture we want. Are you testing the light?
Yep. It's on.
Yeah.
It's off.
You won't be able to see it until we cut the wood out.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. So after we draw a picture on it, we're gonna ask our mom or our dad to cut the wood out for us. So
But first we're going to trace our world onto it so they know what to cut out.
Yeah. So we'll draw our world and then they'll cut it out and we'll have parts of the world left and then you can I was gonna say silhouette, but we won't. So we'll have our pictures still left and there will be some holes for the light to shine through and then we can paint the whole thing with our poster paints or our acrylic paints and then we'll be able to turn it on and our worlds will glow.
Glow.
Yeah, because they're amazing fantasy worlds.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, and we'll need, of course, colors and paintbrushes and water and all of the good stuff to make nice things.
Yeah, and if you're doing a hard design, you could also maybe print a picture out online.
Yeah.
And then you could trace it. I think I'm going to do that because
I'm going to do it too because I'm not good at freehand.
Yeah.
So since I know kind of what animals I want to use in my underwater world and what plants, I'm just going to print them differently out, trace them with a pencil, and then this way it'll look really nice and clean and cool and it'll be amazing.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do too because I really like unicorns and I like to draw them, but I don't think I have the ability yet to draw them as well as I'd like.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Practice, right?
Yeah, definitely practice. So should we print those pictures out and then start drawing them?
Yeah, what I would say is we do that and then we immediately ask mom and dad to cut them out for us.
Yeah.
And then we'll be back painting them.
Okay, yeah, so we're going to go and get our pictures all ready on here and then we can start painting it with you guys.
Yep.
Great.
And the kids can get their stuff ready too. And by the time we're back, they will be ready too.
And if you don't have a light box, what you can do is you can draw on a piece of paper your picture, and then you can use, if you have kids' safety scissors, you can cut the picture out, and then you can hold it up to the light and see the light come through it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
There you go.
Or just ask mom and dad to help you with putting a light in there.
Oh, yeah. That's definitely an option.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Or the other thing you can do is, of course, you can buy something like this at an arts and crafts supply store.
Yay! Arts and crafts!
Yep.
Woo! Studio time!
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get ready.
Yep, I'm ready. Okay. I'm gonna grab a pencil. Oh yeah, I gotta take this with me.
Yep.
Whoosh.
Let me come back. Okay. It's time to start painting.
Ooh. I'm doing just since I really like the color, I'm gonna do a pink rainbow, or a pink unicorn.
Pink unicorn?
Yeah. Usually they're
white, aren't they?
Yeah, white, or you could have probably a brown one, or maybe a white and black spotted one, or a black one. Oh, I wonder if there's a zebra striped unicorn.
Oh, that would be funny too.
Ooh. Oh,
a rainbow striped unicorn.
A rainbow striped one. And I bet because unicorns are magic, I bet a unicorn could actually be any color.
Yep.
Yeah,
that's true.
And then it could change colors like a chameleon.
So you're using magical colors, and I'm using traditional colors.
Ooh, yeah.
See, like for example, I have some seaweed down here. I'm just going to use green.
That looks really nice.
And paint them green.
Oh, that's great. Well, and I'm going to use magical colors for the unicorn, but then I put a rainbow in the corner, and the rainbow I'm going to make traditional colors.
Okay.
And then I also have clouds, and I'm going to make the clouds white. So it's just going to be one magical thing, and the rest is regular things.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That will really pop out then.
Yeah, it'll make it stand out a ton, especially because it's the biggest thing in my picture.
Yep. Okay. I think I'm done.
Are you done?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done too. Oh, wait, no. We have to put our names on them.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Because otherwise we might not know whose is whose.
Well, I know which one's mine.
But what if accidentally mom or dad puts it in my room by mistake?
That's true. No. There we go.
Nice. Oh, and... Okay. Yeah.
There we go.
Do you want to show yours first?
No.
You want me to show mine first?
Maybe I should show my friends.
Okay.
Okay. So, kids, I did an underwater world where we have dolphins and a seahorse, and right down there is a crab, and then a lot of green seaweed.
That looks so neat. And what's the gold part?
Oh, those are seashells and treasures.
Oh, wow. I really like that, Noah. That looks amazing.
Yeah, you like that?
Ooh, yeah, I do. I like it a lot.
That's good.
Wow. Can I show you mine?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, wait.
Wait. No. We'll turn them on together.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, okay,
That's
okay.
a good idea.
Oops. I'm hitting the paint.
Oh, here, let me take it away.
Thank you.
There we go. Now you have something.
Okay. So I did a magical pink unicorn and then a rainbow that's different colors. And I just did the bottom half of the rainbow because it didn't have enough lines for the top half.
Yeah.
But since I made the unicorn kind of pink and red, I figured that would count.
Yep.
And then I made...
That looks like it's like a unicorn floating in the sky.
Yeah, because it's a magic unicorn, so it could fly. So it's got stars that are silver and then white clouds.
That's really cool.
Thanks.
That's amazing.
Aw, thank
That's
you.
a very magical world.
Yeah, it's a really good one. And you gave me the idea for the frame. Because like on the outside of yours, you painted it blue.
I painted it blue because we're in the water, right?
Mm-hmm.
So water is blue and we're in the underworld water, and that's why I painted it blue.
And so I painted mine purple. I just liked the color purple, but I liked your idea for the frame.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool. So we turn it on?
Well, I think we probably need to turn off some of the lights so you can really see our world, right?
Sounds good. Okay, I'll turn off some lights.
Okay.
Okay. Is it dark enough?
Yeah, I think it's dark enough. One, we can see our sign in the back, and our world's looking dark now.
Yeah.
And so I think we can show them.
Okay. Are you ready?
Okay, ready,
One,
kids?
Yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait, I was going left, right, not up, down.
Yeah.
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Whoa.
Whoa, those look great. Oh, wow. Yours looks really good because your pictures are kind of dark, so it's very, like you can really see the silhouettes of them a lot. Yeah.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Mine's fun too, but mine's more like glowing clouds. Yours is more like a silhouette.
Yep.
Yeah.
This can kind of be our nightlight when we go to sleep.
Oh, yeah.
So we can always see our world.
Oh, that's really nice.
That's a good idea, isn't
Yeah,
it?
that's a great idea. And we can think of like the unicorn and the seahorse and the dolphin and the crab kind of singing us to sleep.
Yeah, and then you can dream of unicorns and I can dream of dolphins.
Yeah. Oh, I love that idea.
Right?
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's do that. Well, kids, I hope that you're going to create your own world at home too.
Oh, yeah. And you can create any world you want. You can do a jungle or a city or the beach. Oh, so many worlds.
Anything that you imagine, you can make.
Yeah, it's great.
Yep.
Cool. Well, I think I'm going to go take a nap.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dream of unicorns.
Thank you, I will. That's what I want to go so I can
I'm
use
going to
this.
dream of dolphins. I'm
Okay.
just going to sit down and close my eyes
Right here.
and imagine that I'm
Aw.
in the ocean dreaming with all of these fish.
Yeah, that sounds nice.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay. We'll
Bye,
see you
kids.
next time,
See you
kids.
next time.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
And should we show them?
Yeah.
Okay.
1,
2, 3.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Our names.
Yeah, our names. Yay!
Yeah. So we know which ones is whose world.
Yeah. And we can spell our names out. We can practice. So mine is
Yep.
O-L-I-V-I-A.
And a heart.
And a heart. Yep.
Olivia Heart.
Olivia Heart. Yep.
And mine is
N-O-A-H.
Noah.
Yay, Noah.
Yep.
Yeah, very, very nice.
So don't forget to put your names onto your craft so everybody knows you are the artist.
Yeah, especially if you do them with a big group of people so you can find yours.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like in school.
Yep.
Yeah.
But every artist does that, right?
Oh yeah, a lot of artists, they actually sign the front of it sometimes or just put the initials. So like I could just put just an O.
Yeah, and I could just put an N.
Yeah.
Next time.
Or I could draw a heart and then put an O inside of it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Or I'll just do an N.
Yeah, you can do it however you want.
Yep.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll
great.
see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!